and the definition of polynomial. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so polynomial, just a second. So polynomial is an expression that contains constants, variables. Okay, so constant means fixed term, and variable means we change the quantity. Okay, understood? Constant means fixed term, which we can't change, and variable means that we can change. For example, let's take the value of x, which is real number. Okay, so we
Yes.
can take any value of x. We can take x is equals to 1. We can take x is equals to minus 2, minus root 2, 1 by 2. So we can change the value of x. So x is considered as variable, and which we can't change, that number is called constant. For
Constant.
example, 1 by 2. Can you change this number?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is constant. 1 by 2 is constant, and x is variable. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
generally, we denote constants by a and b, and variables by x, y, and z. Clearly? So standard form of polynomial is an. Do you have your notebook?
At present, I don't have any notebook, ma'am.
Sorry, you're not audible.
At present, I don't have any notes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So next time you can take your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the standard form of polynomial is an x raised to power n plus, here an is constant and x is variable. Okay. Plus bn x raised to power n minus 1. We can lower the value of x. Here x raised to power n. N is considered as degree. Okay. Degree means power of variable. Understood? So this is the standard form of polynomial. Okay. So next we move towards the topic type of polynomial. Okay. So there are many types of polynomial. First we consider as linear polynomial. Okay. Linear polynomial is that polynomial whose degree is 1. Degree is highest power of the variable. Okay. For example, let us consider the example of linear polynomial, that is x plus 1. Okay. Here the power of x is
One.
1. So this is considered as linear polynomial. Okay. Let us take another example, x plus x, which is equal to
Two.
2x. X plus x is
Two
equal
x.
to 2x. And the value of x plus x is 2x, and the degree of power of x is
One.
1. This is also considered as linear polynomial. Understood? So
Yes, ma'am.
second type is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial in which the variable has highest degree 2. That means a polynomial that has degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Understood? For example, x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Here the highest power of x is what?
Two.
2. So this is considered as quadratic polynomial. Okay. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Third type is cubic polynomial. Okay. Cubic polynomial is a polynomial whose degree is 3 is called cubic
Cubic
polynomial.
polynomial.
You tell me the example of cubic polynomial.
2x cube plus 3x is plus 1.
Okay. So here the highest power of x is
3.
3. So this is considered as
Cubic polynomial.
understood. So we understand the three types of polynomial. First one is,
Linear polynomial.
second one is
Quadratic polynomial.
quadratic, and third one is
Cubic polynomial.
understood. All definitions. Oh. Then we move towards. So which book do you follow?
NCRT, ma'am.
NCRT. Okay. And what is your good name?
Dhruti, ma'am.
Dhruti. Okay. So Dhruti, we discussed the three types of polynomial and definition of polynomial. Okay. And the definition of constant and variable. Okay. So just a second. I'll go through the syllabus. Okay. So now we discuss about the standard form of these three types. We should discuss later. Okay. So first type is
Linear polynomial.
linear polynomial. Okay. The standard form of linear polynomial